How to fix email bounce back on Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you how can you fix an email bounce back on Gmail. So for that, you have to make sure to check the typos in the recipient's email address, ensure your email address is verified, and also maintain a clean email list by removing invalid addresses, and consider using email verification tool to validate addresses before sending email. Now it usually happens when you have a typo. Go to your Gmail. After you open it up, then click on the compose button. So here, as you type in the recipient's address on a to section, then make sure that you are entering the correct information. So you could also see the suggested if the account is available or if the account exists, so at the bottom. Now similarly, I'm gonna go ahead and type in some error in this particular email address. So let's say if I type in this, so see, there isn't such email. So you could see this is how it's gonna look like. Now if you did not see such interface, then what you could do is you could actually go ahead and forward the same email by tapping on the three dot icon and click on the forward button, and then make sure to check the recipient details, or you could actually go ahead and copy paste the recipient email address if you already have it, so and paste it right over here. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's not the case, you could also make sure to verify email address. That means make sure your email address is verified and properly set up on your Gmail account. Now for that, you have to make sure to enter in your date of birth, and then you have to provide a recovery address, all of that. So consider doing that. This should be able to fix it as well. At the same time, you could regularly remove outdated or invalid email address from your account list. So for that, what you could do is you could actually go to the send button, and here you could see out to section, right? So over here, if you see any of these invalid email address, you could actually go ahead and long press on it and click the delete button, and that way you should be able to delete it so as well. Apart from it, what you could also do is monitor your sender reputation score to avoid being flagged as spammed. So if the issue persists on, you could reach out to the email provider for the troubleshooting assistant. That means you could contact the support team. So for that, tap on the tab bar icon and go to help and feedback. Here you could actually go ahead and submit a feedback stating that you're having issue with such, and you should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix email bounce back on Gmail. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.